Hello everyone, welcome to AI for All, ChatGPT for Everything. You are a freelancer or want to start earning money online? This video is for you. Today, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to make money as a freelancer, whether it's writing, coding, marketing, or customer support. AI can help. So, let's dive in. Tip number one, offer AI powered writing and content services. One of the easiest way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering content writing services. Businesses, blogs, and social media creators need tons of content. Let me show you an example prompt using ChatGPT to generate this content. The prompt is write a 500 word blog on how to stay productive while working from home. Enter. Here is the ChatGPT's response. It generates structured blog with an introduction, main points, and you can see this also generates the conclusion part. You can tweak this and sell it on platform like Upwork or even start your own blog. Let me show you another example prompt with respect to Instagram. Write an Instagram caption for a fitness brand. Here it is. Strong is the new beautiful. Push your limits, challenge your body, and let every rep remind you of your power. Ready to level up? This is a caption generated by ChatGPT which helps for fitness brand. Moving on to tip number two, make money with AI powered customer support and virtual assistant. Businesses need customer support agents, but AI can make your job easier. Let me show you example from how AI can help over here. Let me type in generate a polite response to a customer asking for a refund. Enter. Here is the ChatGPT's response. It provides professional and friendly customer service response. Now you can offer AI assisted virtual assistant services and manage email, chat support, and social media inquiries. Let me show you one more example prompt. Create a professional response to a customer complaint about late delivery. Enter. Here it is. ChatGPT given you professional and ready to send email template. You can tweak as per your need. Moving on to next tip. Sell AI powered digital product. Want passive income? Use ChatGPT to create and sell digital products. Let me show you an example prompt. Create a list of 10 social media post ideas for small businesses. Enter. Here are 10 social media post ideas for small business to engage their audience and promote their brand. ChatGPT generates engaging post ideas for different industries. You can package this into a ebook or sell pre-written content on Gumroad or Etsy. ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's money-making machine. You can use it for writing, customer support, and selling digital products. Want more AI business tips? Like, subscribe, and comment on how you plan to use ChatGPT to make money.